There are several different ways to fill a design. When we right-click on the image and choose Properties, Fill, you'll see the Fill Effects box open. You'll see Pattern on the first tab. Click on the second tab, Gradient, Texture, and Fabric. We show the fabric fill in 3 separate mini clips: acquiring fabric, cropping fabric, and importing and editing fabric. In this demonstration, we'll show you how to use pattern, gradient, and texture. When you first open this, you'll see the black and white version of this. I've already changed it to a color. And there are several different types of textures, and this is useful when you want to give the simulation of a stripe or a check, stripe on a bias, little dots, that type of thing. Let's select our background color, and I'm going to move this fill effects out of the way by placing my cursor up here on the top of the window and just dragging it over to the side. So click, hold, and drag. I want to be able to see the colors in my rendering. I might use the colors in the rug or the wall. Let's click on background, and using the down arrow I can use either the eyedropper tool, one of these colors, or by clicking on that I can use the eyedropper tool to select a color here. Let's choose this peach, for example. Click OK, and that's my background color. You can see the black is the pattern. It's the dots, it's the stripes, or the checks. Clicking on the down arrow, more colors, I'll use the eyedropper tool to pick up one of the colors in my wall, for example. Click OK. And let's use this stripe on the very bottom, Hatch 37. The sample will appear here in the bottom right. Click OK. And now we have a stripe design to show the client. Just be sure to indicate to your client that this is just an indication of what a stripe might look like. It won't be the actual fabric that you'll be using. And now let's show another pattern. We'll do the gradient fill this time. We can change the color a little bit if we like. Let's use the color from the rug this time. With the vertical highlight here, you'll see the lighter shade in the middle on this particular pattern. It gives the appearance of silk dupioni. Let's click OK. That's a very pretty effect. Let's zoom in on our hardware now. And through Image Components, Hardware, we'll use the Fill button and click on Texture. And we'll change this to a wood tone. So those are the 3 pattern fills you can use: pattern, gradient, and texture under Properties.